Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about and futuristic smartphones in the world, the Tesla Pi phone, designed by Tesla, the company known for its innovation in electric cars and space technology. The Pi phone promises to redefine what a smartphone can do. With features like satellite connectivity, solar charging, and deep integration with Tesla cars, this device isn't just a phone, it's a step into the future. Let's find out if the Tesla Pi phone lives up to the hype. Design and display. At first glance, the Pi phone looks stunning. It comes with a 6.9-inch 4K AMOLED display with a 140 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp details, smooth animations, and vibrant colors. The design is futuristic, with an ultra-slim metal frame and a matte glass back that changes color depending on the lighting, giving it a truly premium feel. Tesla also kept the phone surprisingly light considering its features, making it comfortable to hold and use daily. Bezels are almost non-existent, and the front camera is hidden under the display, giving you a true full-screen experience. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Tesla Pi phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Performance is nothing short of impressive. Apps load instantly, multitasking feels seamless, and gaming at the highest graphics settings is buttery smooth. The phone runs on Tesla OS, a customized version of Android, optimized for AI features, Tesla ecosystem integration, and even Starlink satellite connectivity. Whether you're connected to 5G or Starlink, you'll rarely find yourself without a signal. Camera system. The Tesla Pi phone brings a quad camera setup on the back. One 8MP main sensor for crystal clear shots, for 8MP ultra-wide lens. 50MP telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, depth and astrophotography sensor. Photos are sharp, vibrant, and detailed, even in low light. What sets this phone apart is its astrophotography mode, which takes advantage of Starlink satellite support to enhance night sky images. If you love capturing the stars, this phone is on another level. The under-display front camera is for 8MP and does a great job for selfies and video calls, keeping the screen uninterrupted when not in use. Battery and charging. Now here's where Tesla gets revolutionary. The Pi phone packs a 5,500 mAh battery that supports 65 West wired charging and 45 West wireless charging. But the real game changer is solar charging. The back panel includes a special coating that allows the phone to recharge when exposed to sunlight, making it perfect for travel, emergencies, or off-grid use. On a full charge, you can easily get through to days of moderate to heavy use, and with solar backup, you're never truly out of power. Tesla integration and extras. What makes the Pi phone unique is how it ties into the Tesla ecosystem. If you own a Tesla car, this phone can unlock your car, control climate settings, track performance, and even act as a remote key all seamlessly. It also supports Neuralink integration for future use, meaning in time, it may connect directly with brain interface technology. On top of that, you get advanced biometric security with in-display fingerprint scanning and 3D face unlock. And yes, it's built tough, with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it as durable as it is futuristic. Final verdict. To wrap it up, the Tesla Pi phone isn't just another smartphone, it's a bold vision of the future. From its incredible design, powerhouse performance, and astrophotography capabilities, to its game-changing features like Starlink satellite internet and solar charging, this device truly stands out. If you're someone who loves innovation and cutting-edge tech, The Tesla Pi phone might just be the most exciting phone of 2025. It's not just about staying connected, it's about staying ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the Tesla Pi phone in the comments below.